You don't owe everyone an explanation for the life you're building. Not for the quiet choices, the late nights, or the path that only makes sense to you. This journey is a private conversation between you and your potential. A blueprint drawn in a language others may not understand. And that's okay. Their validation is not a prerequisite for your progress. Inevitably, people will question you. Their voices, filled with a mix of concern and confusion, will echo in your quiet moments. Why are you doing that? Why don't you just settle for what's comfortable, for what's known? Why can't you be satisfied with good enough? But they don't see your vision. They can't. They are standing on the shore, watching you navigate an ocean they've only ever seen on a map. They don't feel your calling, that magnetic pull towards something greater that hums beneath your skin. They don't hear the persistent, gentle voice inside you saying, "There is more for you. Keep going." Your journey is profoundly personal. Your dreams don't need permission, applause, or even understanding from the outside world. They only need your belief, your effort, your resilience. So release the need to convince people. You don't have to win the debate. You just have to continue the work. Focus your energy not on justifying your direction, but on taking the next step, and then the one after that. Protect your vision. Guard it like a flame in the wind. It is the most sacred thing you own. In the end, let your results speak far louder than your explanations ever could.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.